Good morning, everyone. This is Anchit from FAM. I'm from the founding team. With me is Ayush, who is also from the founding team. We are here to talk about our product and the company FAM. So we are building the payments app for the next generation. Before we get into the what of it, we'll want to start and set some quick context with the why of it. So why did we start building this product? So going back to 2018, we were in final year of college at IIT Roorkee, and we saw that a lot of our friends and batchmates were sort of working towards getting their so-called placements in college, and without and basically that was with the intent to land a high package job and not to pursue what they actually would want to do. So I think that's what something that uh, was very flawed approach towards in general their professional journey. And then we realized, okay, this is because they don't understand money very well. And when we dive deeper into understanding what is really happening, we realize that the awareness around money, the understanding of money is actually absent. Like in India, when you talk about it, relationship with money is broken. And that's when we chose this problem of solving for financial awareness, solving for financial literacy. So coming to the 2019 scenario, as I mentioned, like the relationship with money was broken. And when we started understanding, okay, what is happening here, and we started understanding, okay, how do we start solving this problem? So we realized that this is something that we need to solve when someone is at a very young age, and we make them learn about money, make them aware about their finances. And that's when we sort of started interacting with a lot of teenagers in India, and we realized, okay, in India we had 250 million plus teenagers, and most of them, like above 90%, were still using cash, and this is very conflicting with the idea of how UPI was booming at that time. And uh, and after all these kids are very active smartphone users, so they don't have access to digital payment for something which was very conflicting. And that's when we decided, okay, we need to sort of build something for these users, and this is how we can solve for financial literacy in long term, and like maybe raise a better generation, better next generation, financially aware generation. And yeah, that's when we sort of started building this. And as I mentioned, why teens? Because these are the smartest internet users. They are almost 40% of India's population, and we have almost 250 million plus teens, and all of them are unbanked. So that's when we sort of started building the product. The product is very simple. How do we give them access to digital payments? So the idea was to sort of bring them onto a platform where they can start making digital payments. And this happens with a wallet where they get a UPI. They get access to UPI and a card, and they can make all the kinds of digital payment that they want to do. What they can do on the platform, they can easily make all the P2P payments. P2P payments is basically send money to friends or family members. And this is again one of the biggest use cases in the segment that we are sort of working for. Other is card. They can make payments using their prepaid card, which is issued on top of the wallet. They can make UPI payments, of course. They can like scan and pay. They can make payments by entering UPI and all of that, not like what happens in a normal UPI app. The other thing also is because we are working towards financial literacy, we also built a savings product where they can come on board the platform and also start saving money so that they can build a good habit on top. So that's how sort of the product works. And what happens is essentially they get money from their parents, and then they can spend using their UPI or prepaid card. So yeah, just to summarize, I think our mission is to sort of raise a new financially aware generation, the next generation, and we are building for them. We are building for the next 50 years of payments, and we know that experience and how sort of they interact with money needs to evolve, and that's what we are sort of working towards.
Okay, great. So this is our journey so far. So we started in college in 2018. We got funded by Y Combinator in 2019, and then our seed round also happened just after that. We onboarded our first 1 million customers in January 21. Again, like another Series A round happened in July 21. Uh, this year in March, we got a beta positive as well. So it's a big milestone for the company. This is just a basic split of how we make revenue. Like almost 46% comes from wallet load fee. There are commerce, which is people can buy gift cards, they can do recharges. There is interchange money, and there's other financial income, etc. These are some of our top line numbers. So we have some 1.3 CR, which is 13 million plus KYC customers on the platform, out of which 7 million do transact every month at least once. Uh, and we process around 3 billion transactions every year, which is corresponding to like a 50,000 crores plus volume every year. And we have been growing consistently 20% on average quarter on quarter. So since January 2024, you can see it's 3.8 million to now 13 million is what we are at. Interestingly, all this is a basic split of where we acquire customers from. So majority of them tell us that they got to know about our app through their friends. Second is they saw some video on YouTube, they saw something on Instagram, and that's how they got to know about our app. And we are a very huge community on social media, so we are at a 1.2 million followers, through which now we create financial content, we create different type of content to educate people, as well as this is one of the things which gets us more users. Just for some idea, so out of the 7 million, some 2.5 million transact every day. So it's a huge engagement on the app. So they come every day, almost do 3 transactions. Because these are kids, they have use cases like buying a chips packet or buying Coca-Cola after their tuitions, etc. They travel in metro, they go to in Mumbai, they will take local trains, etc. So all of those things are happening through this app now. We are in the top 10 in Indian UPI ecosystem as well. We are at seventh right now, very close to cred. Our users love us. We have 1.5 million reviews at a 4.5-star rating. Again, because these are kids who really love the product, hence these ratings are also amazing. So we're a team of 6 people, all from IIT Roorkee 2019 batch. We started together, and now it's been almost been 7 years that I've been working on this. We have had like great investors on our side. We have Elevation Capital, YC, Peak 15, and a lot of angel investors like Kunal Shah, Amrish as well on our cap table. So it's been great journey with them. Thank you so much.